Brother, this girl greets you as she passes.
Hey Joe, she not greet me.
She not greet me, she not greet you. When this one starts now, I say, ow, come!
Efe! There you go now.
Brother, this girl go wake up this early morning, pass my go senior brother, you don't feel poor, how mad greet.
Leave her.
The man when she married, that be the last one for this house. All this behavior, me I don't like her. Leave her.
If your husband come and talk to her.
In one day, she will carry water, come wash for your head. Now that time, I go, no. She go come with me for this, I make she go come.
My husband.
What is the meaning of this?
I don't understand.
How is this food supposed to feed 3 grown men sitting on this dining table?
I did not cook for 3 grown men, no. I only cooked for my husband. Anyone that is hungry should go into the kitchen and prepare what they want to eat. That's their business.
Are you okay? Are you okay? These are my brothers, for God's sake. And look at my elder brother, you are disrespecting him in front of me. What kind of nonsense is this? And let me tell you, as long as you are married to me, they are your husbands, whether you like it or not. It's my culture, so you have to respect them.
You are not my husband. The only husband I know is you. I got married to you, married me. I don't know them.
You quiet!
It's you that know. When you are done eating, let me come and pack plates.
Bruh, please, don't be offended. Efe, I'm sorry. Let's eat this one together, please.
One eye whoa! One eye where?
Efe, please let's eat.
Oni,
Yes?
I don't like what you did earlier today. I don't like the way you scolded me in front of your brothers. And you disrespected me now. And you doing so now gives room for them to talk to me anyhow in the future.
I'm sorry. But what you did was very wrong. Very unacceptable.
See, I'm not a slave to anybody. Moreover, the kitchen is wide open. They could have as well helped themselves. It's not as if I stopped them. Is it wrong that I'm protecting the interest of my own husband? See, what I'm saying is simple. I just want to go around naked sometimes, dress skimpy wears to seduce my husband, nothing more. See, only just to gather money for them so that they can go and rent their own house.
Don't go there. Don't even go there.
Okay. Efe! Oh, you heard me calling you now. Why were you not answering? I'm looking for my husband's car key. Please, do you know where it is?
Yes.
Please, hand it over. I want to go and meet up with my friends. They are waiting for me, so hurry up.
What Korebe? One more way. No, I don't understand you. When you dey come this house, when they marry you, your papa give you car, you carry come this house. You bleach chief, she come this house. Say you dey overdo. You go dey respect yourself. You forget saying that your husband na that car, but na my papa name na it dey. So na family car.
Wait. You insulted me. If you must be mad. Mama, please. I can take anything, but not you insulting my man. Make it quiet! Are you alright?
Hey! Me can't hear what. Me a sound nonsense come for your face.
If you slap me. If you want to slap me, slap me!
See!
Slap me now!
See! Efe, you are mad. You can stand down or you can't slap her. In my house? Don't be this one. No, don't be this one. You just dey call the die with tomato. You know what that for here? Your wife go dey insult me. I collect key. Say I dey go out. I want to drop my woman. She say she dey go out. Okay, make me go. Come. Make she go where she go. She say no. This thing where you dey call wife. Efe, your brother is a teen. That's why you are teen. And you will remain teen. Type shit. Efe, show my water. Show my water, Efe. What happened?
Babe, I did not do anything to Efe. I asked him to give me the car key. Let me go to the supermarket to buy food stuff to stock up the kitchen. That's all. Efe, If you want to slap me.
If why are you like this? Why are you troublesome? Eh? Somebody who wants to take her time to go to the supermarket and stock the house with foodstuff. You are here dragging khaki with her. Eh, bros, why now?
God forbid.
See, please give her the car key and book a cab for your girl. Okay? Please. Pay for her cab.